kasi may shelf life, no? Katulad ng food, no? We support also food. So, ang nangyayari, may dalawa kaming facility sa US. Maliit lang yun, hindi talaga yung mukhang factory or what. Bahay lang yun, no? Mga houses na pwedeng mag-storage doon per box, no? Ng mga items para makamura. Kaya meron akong US warehousing facility. Ang point nun is to support, no? Especially yung mga items na mabibigat or fragile or yung perishable katulad ng food. So yun yung warehousing. Yung details nun, we can talk about it some other time. Pero it is meant to support, no, those kind of items. Pero kung shoes, damit, wag na. Ganun yun eh. May mga application, every item, every product. Ganun talaga ang e-commerce. Wala siyang isang formula. Yun yung mali nung ibang tao, akala nila, yun na yung e-commerce. Hindi. E-commerce is a whole wide range of internet application. In fact, sa DTI, yung TV shopping at saka yung telephone sales calls, kinonsider nila as e-commerce kasi it's a use of electrical gadget as a platform to create sales. So, yun yung principle naman ng DTI. So, every item, every product, every way of doing it, even your personal lifestyle, will have its own approach and strategies, no, how to make it successful to you. Kaya iba-iba rin yung support na binibigay ko sa iba-ibang tao. Depende sa product mo. Like, you need warehousing, yes, we have to support you. Ganon. Halos pinoprovide namin lahat. Kasi kung walang ganon, nalilito or mafe-fail. Yun yung point ko. Tapos with Send Express, they ship through Singapore Post, no? It's based in Manila. We pick up door to door, but it's postal service using Singapore Post. Ang kagandahan kasi sa Singapore Post, may tracking. In the Philippines, postal service has no tracking. Yung website is not yet available to have international shipping trackable online. With Send Express, from here, kino-collect, dadalhin sa Singapore, and then from Singapore, saka pa lang siya isi-ship worldwide. So, nagkakaroon ng trace number, which is more trackable. And it's important for e-commerce, especially if you're using PayPal, to have your shipment traceable online. That's why I'm affiliated with Send Express.
Okay. Yes. Isa yung sa PayPal naman po, kasi karamihan ng mga tao natatakot create ng account sa PayPal or gamitin yung PayPal. So, karamihan, ginagamit pa rin yung wire transfer, which I think is more costly. So, ano po yung masasabi niyo po sa mga Filipinos who are still afraid of using PayPal?
So, wire transfer, tama ka doon, it is safe in a way, yet it's very costly. Kasi, mag-engage ka sa e-commerce, minsan, $5, $2, makakabenta ka eh. Tapos kung i-wire transfer mo yon, ang cost nun, yung cost nung kliyente mo who bought from you a $2 or $5 worth of item, it's minimum nun $7, no? Just to send it to you, yung $2 or $5 mo. Ako naman, bilang recipient ng wire transfer, it may cost me $10 to accept the $2 to $5 worth of item. So, hindi siya feasible, di ba? Hindi siya feasible. So, that's why I affiliated with PayPal kasi tayong mga Pilipino, ang mga items natin, $2, $10, $5, $20, ganyan. Sa PayPal, maliit lang ang cost to receive this payment worldwide. So, ibig sabihin, pwede tayong magnegosyo kahit medium scale tayo or small scale tayo, kahit ang produkto mo ay $2, $3, $5 lang, you can accept worldwide payment using PayPal cheaper. So tama ka, telegraphic transfer or wire transfer is very expensive. PayPal is less cost. Kaya lang, nag-ship din yan. Pag napakamahal naman ng item, like $10,000, $7,000, hindi rin naman advisable ang PayPal. So, I still educate what is wire transfer or telegraphic transfer. If you need that for transaction, katulad ng mga malalaking export or containerized bond, magwa-wire transfer ka kasi mas mura. Kasi may ganon. So, dapat alam mo kung ano ang best applicable to you. So, people are afraid of PayPal because there is a credit card linking, di ba? Not unlike with telegraphic transfer or wire transfer, you just wait for your bank account to receive yung payment na binigay sa'yo or ibabayad sa'yo ng client mo. So, walang credit card involvement. With PayPal kasi, you have to have a credit card for the verification process. Not necessarily to receive this payment coming from your clients abroad. The verification process of PayPal is just to authenticate if you are a real person. Kasi, kung walang ganon, ay lagot tayo lahat dito. Pwede na tayong magamit as a money laundering country.
Oo, tama.
Anybody can accept thousands and thousands of payment and then fund terrorist movements, no? Kung walang control or walang verification ng tao na yon. So that's very dangerous, no? Kung walang verification. And PayPal uses Visa or MasterCard to verify or authenticate a person. Kasi mahihirapan kang magkaroon ng credit card or debit card kung wala kang government issues ID, di ba?
Tama po.
Oo. Yeah. Bank accounts are there to receive payments, but hindi na yun ginagamit to authenticate or verify personality here in the Philippines. Kasi it's so easy to open a bank account here. Tama?
Opo.
Diba? Kumuha ka lang ng, barangay...
Clearance.
Meron ka na eh. Huwag matakot ang mga tao linking their credit card with PayPal because actually that's the purpose of it is exactly to protect you. So you should not be afraid of it, no? Because PayPal has this what you call buyer protection program na pag nagkaroon ng problema like fraudulent activities, no? Or hacking, or yun yung kinakatakot nila eh, baka i-charge ako ng i-charge, gano'n PayPal plays the role of protecting your credit card by charging back whatever amount that was stolen to you in the event somebody will add or will charge your credit card with transactions that you did not authorize. Okay? Kaya mo bang i-rephrase sa akin yun? Maganda ba pagkasabi ko?
Ako, para sa akin po, naiintindihan ko. Okay.
For the public, no, this is an education. It is important that I don't just sound good. No, it's important na maintindihan. Okay. Do not be afraid of PayPal. Because actually, as a person who will use PayPal for buying or for selling, no, is the best partner you can have because of the protection PayPal would like to give you. With credit card lang, halimbawa, hindi ka gagamit ng PayPal, credit card lang. Okay, buyer ka. You are giving away your credit card information to a lot of people or to the online website that you're supposed to buy.